June 10th, 2026. This one here I got a call for no AC. Lady called me last night. I told her to shut it off. She says the outside unit's not running.
140 south toward Dartmouth.
And I've been there before, she said. For something else, a couple of years ago maybe. I told her to shut it off. I've been calling her all morning. She finally called me back. These people, you know, they call you to do a job, and then you call them in the morning, they're not around, or they're sleeping. They went out for breakfast or whatever. Typical. That's why I always call before I go anywhere. If they don't pick up, I'm not going. Been there, done that. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there. Hopefully it's something simple. Burn wire or capacitor or something I can change easy enough, right? We'll see. It's a Whirlpool. Nothing but quality here. Excuse me? I didn't hear you.
I said, I hope it only needs 3 on.
Have we put it in the past? Capacitor looks like it might be a little cooked there. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, so I wonder why this.
Huh?
Why don't you go turn on the air conditioning?
Yeah.
Turn on the AC and turn it down so it runs. We'll see why. What is she doing? Yelling at you?
Yeah. I turned on the switch downstairs.
Yeah.
That's all I know.
No, it is running. It's probably low on Freon.
Yeah.
That's probably what it is.
Yeah. Well, the switch is on now.
No, you got to go turn the thermostat down and turn it on cooling so this thing will run.
Go on in and do it.
Huh?
Can you go in and do that?
You know how to do it?
No.
All right, I'll do it.
Yeah. Huh?
Tell me.
Can you turn on the AC? Do you know how to turn on the air conditioner and turn it down so this runs?
Turn it down where?
You want me to do it?
Where? Inside the house?
The AC. Do you know how to turn on the thermostat?
It's on.
It's not, because it's not calling.
Did you turn up the switch like I told you?
Yeah.
I told you last night to shut it off.
It was off.
I'll go see.
I didn't heard that. I thought the thing that
Did you turn it on?
Let me go look at the thermostat.
Oh, my thermostat upstairs?
Yeah.
Oh, it's off. Yeah, I'll turn it on now.
Turn it on.
Okay.
Put on cooling.
Okay.
And turn it down so it runs out here, and then I'll check it, okay? I think you're low on gas because it is running out here.
Okay.
Turn it on. Boy, she sounds a little cranky, huh?
Oh my God, she's getting worse every day.
She's bad, huh?
Oh yeah.
Better you than me.
Oh, I know.
This is R22 for sure.
How is that?
This is old R22.
Uh-huh.
me check the capacitor. It seems to be surging like. I want to check this capacitor, see what's going on with it, because it's acting up, you know. You retired?
Yeah, oh yeah.
How do you like that? Do you like it?
Oh yeah.
You like being retired?
I do, yes.
It seems like it's giving. It seems like it's surging on and off there, which is a little weird. So I'm just kind of curious on what's going on with this thing. We'll check it. What should we be? 50-5. I'm just curious on what we are here. 50-5 microfarads. What do we got here? Seems like it's surging, you know. $49 on that one, which should be the fan. That's what our problem is. It's 49 microfarads. 49 on the fan side. It's supposed to be 5. This capacitor's no good. That's what our problem is.
Okay, good.
The capacitor's no good. Let me get another capacitor.
Okay.
50-5. It should be 5, not 49. Thought I could heard the thing flipping surging. All right, so we should be 50-5. Probably gonna have to get some more of them. 50-5s. I'm running. I got 55-5s. I like to check while I'm in here if I'm low on this shit and I can get it, you know. That's a 60. $45. $45-5. Better get some more 50-5s. There we go. I got some 50s here. 50-5s. I got a couple of them right there. We'll use that one for now.
Let's see what was happening if she opened the windows or asked me.
She's been playing around with it?
Yeah. She came out there, opened the window and said the thermostat's not working. I just because the man is working on it out here. You go down.
She's trouble, huh?
Oh, you're real trouble at times.
Alright, so that's 5. And that's 50. Alright, so this one's good. Alright, so we're going to put these back the way the other ones were. Alright, so red is the 4-pole, was the common. That's the 1-pole. And this one should be the compressor. She sounded a little cranky on the phone.
Oh yeah, she can be.
Then when I got here, she was cranky again.
Yeah.
Wait till she gets to flipping bills, she's gonna really be cranky.
Oh my God.
Huh?
I said, oh my God.
It'll ruin your day.
Yeah.
Can't be PMSing at this age.
I know. Oh, we're probably older than we look. I'm 87.
What's your secret?
Nothing.
Separate bedrooms?
Oh yeah, well yeah.
That's for sure, right?
That's for sure. That's been a while.
I could hear it flipping thing surging like, you know?
Yeah, I have noticed that myself.
Alright, well that's that. Let's see if that's any better, because when I turned it on, I could hear it like, sound like my old girlfriend,
Oh, yeah.
you know? when you get into a flipping argument, she won't shut up. It's like
yeah.
on and on and on.
Yeah,
It's
oh,
like,
yeah.
holy shit.
Oh yeah.
On and on and on till you lose your shit, right? Right?
You know the whole.
Yeah, I know the story.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this capacitor is definitely dead.
Oh. I never remember how you ever.
Well, they don't last forever. The only thing that lasts around here is your marriage.
Yeah, oh, that doesn't last either.
Yeah. Alright, definitely running better now.
Oh yeah.
It was like flipping surgeon.
Oh yeah, I noticed that.
That capacitor being bad like that, that capacitor being bad would not let it start. Probably what happened.
Yeah.
But you got a new one in there.
I've been doing it there, yeah.
This is going to be 410. It's going to be R22. Yeah, R22. Nice and sweaty. It's running good.
Good.
Before, you could hear it surging. You could hear it surging, like the fan. Round, round, round.
Why would it
Put a
do
new
that?
capacitor in there, it should be good now.
Yeah, good.